Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Honda CRV. It comes with 63,845 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. To be able to open the rear hatch, you need to go ahead and push this button. And then when you do that, you'll be able to lift this up and then pull the door open. All right, we're going to take a look at the interior of the vehicle. It does come with this stowaway middle console. These seats do stow away as well to create more room. It does come with the interior hanging rails as well. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dashboard. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that y'all are seeing up top, 102,749, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 63,845. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.